In celebration of Valentine's Day, I am using this heart silicone tray. This is the same tray I used to make my heart Buckeyes. The first step is to coat the mold with melted chocolate. I'm using a paintbrush for an easier application since the cavities are pretty small. You want to make sure that you are applying the chocolate all the way up to the top rim. Once you have completed the first layer, go ahead and pop it in the refrigerator to let it harden. In the meantime, bring over your leftover cake. In my case, I have the extra toppers from my son's birthday cake, which is Funfetti. So I'm gonna just crumble that up into a bowl, and then I'm gonna add a big scoop of Funfetti frosting. The frosting is what binds the cake pieces together. For this step, your hands are your best tools. I wanted to give it a little more color, so I threw in more sprinkles. Once it's evenly combined, I put it in the refrigerator to chill. At this point, your first coat of chocolate for your mold should be hardened. It's now time to apply the second coat. Then I'm just going in with my offset spatula to clean and scrape off any excess chocolate. Alright, go ahead and throw this into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. After it has chilled, they are ready to be filled with the Funfetti cake. Again, your best tool is your hands. Grab a little piece of cake and gently fill in the heart, making sure to leave a little space on the top, enough for a layer of chocolate. Bring back your melted chocolate and add a tiny bit of chocolate to flood the top layer. Try your best to add just enough chocolate to complete the space and tap it to ensure it spreads and levels. Since the cake is chilled, your chocolate will set much faster, so I worked with one heart at a time. Now you're going to throw it into the refrigerator one last time to set. After 10 to 15 minutes, your heart truffle should be ready to be removed from the silicone molds. I really enjoy using these molds. They're very easy to work with and they come out perfectly every single time. If you're interested in purchasing this mold, I'll leave that information in the description box. When you cut them open, they should have a nice chocolate shell with a soft center. Here you can see the sprinkles that I added gave it a fun pop of colors. If you plan to give this as a gift, here's an idea for you. Create your own assortment by boxing them up with another item. In my case, I'm going to be using Lindor chocolates, and I also recommend to add mini cupcake liners to your box to help organize and keep your items in place. For ideas similar to this, check out my other Valentine's Day box of chocolate videos and my playlist for even more gift ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.